Hi everyone, this is Max from MxChat, and today we're going to be going over the MxChat WooCommerce add-on. This will be a very quick high-level tutorial to get you up and running with some basic understanding. You're going to start off by visiting the Pro Upgrade page and activating your new license key. Once you've done that, you'll visit the add-ons page, and here you'll click to download MxChat WooCommerce from our add-on distributor, which is Quick Deploy, and that was made specifically for MxChat. Once you have it downloaded and installed, you can visit the WooCommerce page and get your license keys, your API keys set up here. The automatic product sync, when this is enabled, it'll automatically update the knowledge base with any new products, any updated products, or any deleted products. Now, if you had products previously added to your website, you will have to first submit your sitemap and then turn this on, and every single new addition or edit will be added. Once you have that set up, you'll go over to intents, and you'll see now that you have the WooCommerce features. So currently there's 5 different intents, and we'll quickly run through some of them here. To set up an intent, you just put a label of what you want up here, then enter some key phrases. So I already have some here. You can see this is the product card, so it says tell me more about, what are the details of. Intents use semantic similarity to match key phrases to user queries. The similarity threshold, the higher the threshold, the more exact the phrase will have to match. The lower the threshold, the more general. So you'll have to kind of balance this out some and test it a little bit to see if it's triggering on certain phrases that you think it should. And if it's triggering too often, you'll raise it higher. If it's not triggering often enough, you'll make it lower. You can enter a variety of key phrases in here. I just have 2, for example, but you could have 10, however many you need in there. So let's go ahead and try to test this out here on the sample website. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is say, what products do you recommend? So this is the recommendation intent. It'll recommend up to 4 products based on our previous order history if we're logged in, based on anything in our cart and previous chat history. So you can see here it returned. It also will give a brief reason of why it recommended them, the image, along with a link to the purchase and whatnot. So right now, this time it only did 2. Next thing I'm going to say, tell me more about the cool gaming artwork phone case. This will show a product card. And if you notice, there's a typo here, but that's okay because it's using semantic similarity. Remember, it's not exact phrase match. It's a scoring system. So it tells me about the cool gaming artwork phone case. It has a picture. I can click over to see the product. I can also click add to cart, and it'll add it to the cart. All right. Now what I would like to do is to go ahead and proceed to checkout. Perfect. So that is a quick overview of how the intents work. Now, to kind of show you how this works, if I raise this way up here, now let's go back and try to trigger this product card again. Let's see if it still does it. So you see, it does return information because it's able to find it in the database, but this is not the product card. It doesn't have the picture, it doesn't have the add to cart button. This is just a general non-intent response. And that's what I mean by, depending on how high or low this is, if you turn it too low, then it'll trigger like all the time. So in this example, it'll probably trigger. So you see, it wasn't even, all I said was, hi, how are you? And it triggered the product card. So You have to find a good balance here. It does take a little bit of tweaking, but once you find it, you're good to go. There is one other intent I wanted to show you here as well. Previous orders, if a user's logged in, it's able to check order history and give status updates and talk about specific orders. So you see it has the information on the order history. Alrighty, that's all. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out.